What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of the AI Crypto Combine. Today in this video, we are going to be breaking down and looking at Osmosis. Now, if you're new to the series here, essentially this is where we will be going through and evaluating the top 200 crypto projects as if it was like the NFL or the NBA Combine. Now, if you are unaware of what the Combine is, basically it's where all of the athletes come together and they compete in a series of evaluations to show basically the fundamentals, their speed, their strength, the things that are really going to determine whether they are worth investing in for a coach or for a sports team. And so we're taking the same fundamentals and we're using it to evaluate these crypto projects, and we're doing it in a way that is very scientific, unbiased, and unemotional. And so you can see here basically the grading system it's really like an examination almost. And so we're using a brain smarter than at least myself to really look in and dig into these projects. And so the reason that I'm putting this series together is this is something that I wish I had when I first got into basically crypto in general. But I didn't have this, and what I did was I thought I was a genius. I sold my company in the middle of June 17, basically right before the bull market. So this whole bull run, I'm investing and I'm just getting more and more degenerate. It peaked out at like around 630k. I proceeded to not sell a single coin over the next 3 years. And the reason that I was acting like this, the reason for my behavior, was simply from the information that I was receiving online from like crypto, like mentors or crypto influencers or whatever you want to call it. Basically people that didn't know anything more than me, really, and they were just promoting degenerate behavior. So I'm sure they're nice people, but if you follow like this type of advice, like you're going to lose. You for sure are going to lose in the long run. So basically what we're going to be using is, or attempting to do, is like come at it totally non-biased, totally no vested interest. I'm not dumping bags or anything like that. And the framework that we're going to be following is that laid out by Sam Altman in his talk here, How to Succeed with a Startup, Y Combinator. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, back in the saddle here, team. Today we have Osmosis that we're going to be analyzing here with our systematic GPT-4o system. Following, of course, Sam Altman's startup methodology, we'll be looking at the idea, the product, the execution, the adoption, the community, and the team to determine whether or not this project here is worthy of our hard-earned investment money. All right, overall, let's start out with the executive summary. Clearly, it's a DEX. We can sort of see that from a couple seconds of looking at the website here. So, there's a million DEXs out there. So what makes this special is my question. Osmosis is a decentralized exchange and automated market maker designed to provide a seamless and efficient trading experience within the Cosmos ecosystem. All right, so it's part of the Cosmos ecosystem. It allows users to create, manage, and trade various liquidity pools using an easy-to-navigate platform. Positioned as a critical infrastructure component in the DeFi space, Osmosis integrates with the broader Cosmos network, facilitating interoperability between different blockchain networks. The project primarily targets DeFi enthusiasts, liquidity providers, and traders looking for a decentralized and flexible trading solution. By focusing on user experience and advanced or automated market making features, Osmosis caters to both novice and experienced crypto users. Osmosis aims to solve the problem of fragmented liquidity and inefficient trading across blockchain networks. It achieves this by enabling customizable liquidity pools and leveraging the Cosmos SDK to ensure high speed transactions and low fees. We like low fees, don't we? Innovative solution and all right, cool. So that is the overall executive summary here. Let's go ahead and rank this puppy on how well it actually solves the problem. I mean, it's a pretty clear problem. Like the DEXs exist for a reason. It's not super innovative as far as what it does, right? But you need a DEX, and DEXs exist in different ecosystems, and this happens to be in Cosmos, right? We get 8.3. Sorry, don't touch that. 8.3 overall for the degree to which it addresses a significant underexplored problem. Innovative has strong real-world applicability, although it faces challenges in differentiating. That's what, yeah, exactly right. I mean, it's working in the Cosmos ecosystem, so that is its own little sort of niche, if you will. The USP, let's see, drill down and actually see, does it actually do anything different? And if so, how much? 8.5 overall. It presents a clear and beneficial unique selling proposition by offering customizable liquidity pools and cross-chain interoperability within the Cosmos ecosystem. These features distinguish it from other decentralized exchanges. But while innovative, the communication of these benefits could be more compelling, and widely recognized to achieve higher market impact. Okay. All right, and so I'll chuck the full answer down in here. Anybody who wants to come do further research can check this out. Link will be in the description. 8.4, I guess that would be, wouldn't it, if it was 3 and 5. So it looks like they have a pretty functional product. Seems like I could just go ahead and use it. Let's see now. See here, we're going to be looking at, does it have a functional user-friendly product that meets market demands? Is it technically feasible and scalable? Discover and trade all these pairs. Interesting. That's kind of cool. Alright, so yeah, I mean, it looked like a nice user-friendly product as far as what they have there. That meets significant market demands, particularly in the DeFi space. This product is technically feasible and scalable, supported by positive user feedback, consistent development. It offers clear advantages over competitors, especially in terms of customizable liquidity pools and cross-chain interoperability. All right. Very, very nice. Go ahead and grab that. Full answer, 9.2. Certainly not bad there for product. Execution. I mean, obviously they have launched and have a functional product, so I would assume execution would be a good top score here. What do we see? 8.8. Essentially what we're doing here for this, again, you can come in and see all the prompts yourself and actually get them to go and apply to any specific project that you want to do this on. But we're looking for evidence for roadmap transparency, community engagement, development and marketing, consistency and agility, all that sort of stuff. So overall 8.8 we see. Not bad, not bad. 8.8. Get the full answer here. Go ahead and grab that. Chuck her in. 8.8 for execution. Moving forward into adoption now. Let's see how many users it got. That's an interesting question to ask. I mean, obviously it's a little bit dependent on Cosmos, right? I mean, it's working within that ecosystem. But 8.7, it's so here you can see we're looking at total holders, token holder growth, total active users, and total transactions to reflect the score. Strong user adoption, so I mean, it's moving forward there in that regard. 8.7 overall. Let's go ahead and grab this there. Community, moving forward here, have a look at the community. Essentially for the community, what we're going to be analyzing is the Twitter and the Telegram, and we're going to be looking at the engagement. You can see here, we're going to be looking at the engagement as well as the sentiment of the engagement. So are people responding, but more importantly, are they actually responding with, positivity? And you can see high levels of engagement and support across its social media platforms, particularly on Twitter and Telegram. The project has garnered a robust following with active user participation and positive sentiment, reflecting a strong community and backing. Decent. 9.0. Grab the, what was they got? 123,000 followers. So it certainly has got some traction. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a DEX in the Cosmos ecosystem, 9.0 for community. And finally, what we want to look at is the team. See who's behind this project, what's their background. As we're doing that, let's scooch over and have a little peek here at the price action. I don't know, like these charts on TradingView, like it's becoming harder, I swear, to find full data on these charts. Like, bro, if you're gonna have a TradingView product, like, it's pretty nice to be able to see the whole history of, and I'm looking through all the different exchanges. But anyway, peaked out at $10, so up here. Regardless, I mean, the MO is pretty apparent here. Ground itself into the ground, and then it's popped. I mean, this at least as a trader, this is pretty attractive. This is really what you like to see. I mean, it has popped. Ideally for me, I'd be looking for reload zones. 61.8 to 78.6. That's where I could call myself an active participant if I was interested. And I mean, the fundamentals do seem pretty sound. So I'd be looking at this sort of picture. Let's just come back. We'll go back and just finish off the team evaluation. So good team as well. You can see you can basically. Where's it go? It went and found the co-founders, CTOs, found them at podcast interviews, so on and so forth. 9.0 overall for the team. Decent there. So we'll check this in. 9.0. Grab the full answer. 9.0. And then we will just tally up our total score. See where it sits. Let's have a little look here while we're waiting. So it is in a downtrend. However, if we put some structure in, break out onto the other side of that trend line. If we were to sort of put, come down and put some structure in there, I don't think that would be a bad idea to buy at all. We also have divergence in the momentum and the MACD here. So, you can see that by just the fact that we are trend line. We're trending down here. We're making lower highs and lower lows. Here we're making higher lows. Come on. So we're going up this way on the momentum. We're going down in price. That is what you'll like to see. We are in a reload zone. So if we did get some structure in the market, nice W pattern, you could justify stepping in here and becoming a buyer. 8.79 overall. Not a bad fundamental project by any means. That is a review. I'll see everybody in the next video.